Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel, one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and in today's video we are going to be discussing about our euro dollar trade that triggered in at the beginning of this week. It was a fantastic trade. It's one that brought in over 100 pips in the market. Many of our clients closing that trade out for a wonderful amount of pips. We're going to show you exactly how the trade was provided to our clients, when the trade triggered in, and the result of the trade. It's one of our breakout strategies, and we're going to take you to that right now. So in regards to what we do is, firstly, we provide analysis and one-to-one mentoring to all of our clients. Now this is the analysis page that our clients get access to every single day. It provides them with technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading opportunities. Now, the chart that actually triggered in was this chart right here, which is euro dollar. So let me just zoom in so you get a bit of a better look at the chart itself. So you can see in here we're looking at a symmetrical triangle pattern, including a supply zone. So what we were looking for is we're looking for a breakout of this supply and symmetrical triangle for a breakout continuation trade. Now obviously, most importantly, the pullback. So if I take this back now and show you how the trade was actually presented, we look into the current open trades. You can see this is exactly how the trade was presented. Wait for a breakout of 1460, then go long on the pullback with a 40 pip stop loss and a target of 1600. Okay. Now the targets are always guidelines. You can take your profit wherever you wish to take it. Okay. Now this particular trade, of course, we need to wait for a breakout of 1460 first. The breakout occurred. So if we look at the chart, we look at the Monday. Okay, so let's go all the way back here now. Okay, so looking at the start of the week. Okay, so start of the week, we can see as we come along, what do we get? We get a breakout of 1460, right? So we get a breakout here. Now, obviously, we're looking for a daily breakout. We can see at the end of the day, the price is well above 1460. We get the pullback. Then what occurs? We get a little bit of the market coming down here, but our stop loss being at 1420 just held, just about. The low here was 1422. So our stop loss just about held. And we can see in the end, the market retracing all the way up to about 1560, 1570. Okay, so about 110 pips in total. Okay, I know many clients, as I've spoken to many clients who close the trade out for around 100 pips or so. So it's a really good example of how analysis we provide at the start of the week on the Monday triggers in on the Tuesday and makes you the profit on the Wednesday. Okay, obviously it doesn't always work out that way, but in this scenario it has, and it's a wonderful start to the year because obviously we started trading commenced on the 7th of Jan. So you know, it was a really nice start to the year. 100 pips already in the first week, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Obviously what we're also providing, and the reason for showing you this particular obviously video and trade, is because we're providing access to this trading floor as well as our trading algorithm on a completely free consultation call. So all you've got to do is type in the top right hand corner free consultation, and once you do that, it's just your name, standard information for us to get in touch with you, and we will show you everything for free on a consultation so you can see if this is going to be something that you want to add into your own trading portfolio. So I just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. Please stay in touch also with our blogs, because we're discussing about euro and the dollar and the big news events that we've had occur this particular week, as you'll all know about the Dow Jones. So please keep in touch with our blogs as well. It's on our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. So I say thank you very much for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.